Alright, so we got a Reese hitch for the Jeep, and it was only 70 bucks on Amazon. Pretty freaking amazing to get a hitch for such a inexpensive price. This is pretty much all it came with. And if we look underneath here, there's bolts in here that we'll have to take off and see if it fits. Looks like it takes 13/16. See if we can get these things off. I thought it was going to be more difficult than this, but looks like they're coming right out. Believe it or not, but what took the most time was to get these darn things out. So I got them out. Let's go ahead and put this underneath and see if I can hook it up. Alright, so I sort of just used my chest to lift this up. I put in one bolt there, one bolt here, and then I'll put the other bolts in. Where are they? There. Alright, so this side slid in really easy, no problem. Matter of fact, the bolts are sliding in really easy. This one isn't easy. This one, I can't seem to lift this up high enough to get that in. So I'm going to get a jack, slightly jack that up to where it's a little bit easier to put the bolt in. And there we go. It is installed, easy peasy. Alright, I'm sure y'all know how to torque down everything, so here's the torque specifications: 115 foot-pounds or 156 newton meters. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.